Hey guys, this is your weekly innovation insight. Did you know about these 3 top neobanks in India innovating in the banking space? Neobanks are basically digital-only banks with no physical bank branches. The first one, InstantPay, delivers full-stack banking services to individuals and businesses of all sizes. With personal, business, and inclusive banking solutions, InstantPay offers activation, money tracking, and cash deposit features. The bank is set to process 1 million of transactions daily. Niyo caters to the needs of over 1 million customers across blue-collar sectors and to Indians that travel globally. Users can pay bills, transfer funds, make online purchases, access ATMs anywhere in the world, and track their spending habits among others, which is supported by the bank's digital platform. Open is a neobank that offers small businesses and startups an online banking account and a credit card that combines banking, payments, and accounting in a single place. Open solves the pain points business owners go through with the current banking system. Invoices can be generated and payment links to customers can be sent. Next, in September, Standard Chartered launched its new virtual bank called Mox. Created in partnership with PCCW, HKT and Trip.com and launched in Hong Kong, Mox is Asia's first all-in-one bank card. An account can be set up in minutes, providing a suite of retail banking services entirely digitally via its app. From the Digital Explorer course, we learned that the disruptive innovators follow 5 steps to usurp existing Industry 3.0 incumbent operators. Neobanks such as InstantPay, Open, Niyo, and virtual banks such as Mox are disruptors of the banking industry. Are you keeping your disruptor radar on? Here's something for you to ponder upon. Are you being disrupted? If so, how are you going to fight back? In summary, neobanks in India such as InstantPay, Niyo, and Open are innovating in the banking space. Standard Chartered launched its new virtual bank called Mox in Hong Kong. Neobanks and virtual banks are disruptors of the banking industry. You need to keep your disruptor radar on and use the 5 steps from the Disruptor's Playbook to fight back. That's all for today, guys. This was brought to you by Disruptor.